Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm the Hurt Crafter. Today we're going to do a quick demonstration of the Tunisian Knit Stitch. This is just a small sample I've worked up. It's got 15 Tunisian simple stitch, and to make the knit stitch you go under the front bar the same as you do for a simple stitch, but instead of yarning over in the front and pulling your loop up, you go through the hole between the stitches to the back and you yarn over in the back and pull up your stitch. And you see now this stitch looks like it's been twisted to the front. So whereas before it was like a front bar and a back bar here, now because we've gone through this stitch to pull up our loop, it's sort of turned the stitch forward, and that's how you get the look of the knit stitch. So we're going to do that again all the way down the row. We go under our front bar to the back and we pull up our loop through the previous stitch. And we do that again all the way down the row. And you see it starts to show the knit stitch there. And we just go under that front bar and we find the hole in between the stitches and we pull up our loop straight from the back through the stitch and up the front. And we just continue going down the line. There's our second to last stitch. And the last one is the chain from starting the return pass from the previous row. You go in the side and you grab both of the bars of that chain and you pull through your loop. And you can see our knit stitches showing up there. And the return pass is the same as for simple. You just yarn over and you do a chain there on the side and you yarn over and you pull through two all the rest of the way back. Yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, two, yarn over, pull through two. And we just keep going until we have only one loop left on our hook. And that is the knit stitch. And for following rows, you just do the same thing. Under that left bar and to the back, pull up your loop. And that's it.